All right, we're going to take this candle and we're going to turn it into a bunny head. Imagine that. We're going to turn it into a bunny head. You can take the same idea and also turn it into a snowman head if you wanted to do it like that as well. Or even Rudolph. That would be kind of cute as well. So I'm Vicky with Purple Penguin Craft Room. Let's go ahead and get started here. We're going to take, this is just a light from it was either from the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. Not sure which one of the two of them, but you can get these little lights anywhere pretty much. We're gonna just take pliers here. We're just gonna take this off. So we don't need this, but you may want to leave it on if you're doing like a snowman or anything with a long nose. But for this case, we're doing a bunny, so I want a small, and just make sure it turns on. Okay, it turns on. All right, now we are going to just take our ears and we're just going to use pipe cleaners and decide how big we want our ears to be. How big do you want your ears on your bunny? And I like to just eyeball everything, so I'm guessing maybe a little pointed. And before I do anything else to it, I'm going to make sure I have enough to do two. I'm going to take our soft pink felt. This is the soft, so it's kind of bendable. We're just going to take our ears and kind of form them how I want them. Like that. After they're dry, because we want to glue them on first, and then we will cut them out. Then we got our bunny ears. Super cute. We're just going to take our bunny head now and put our ears on. All right, super cute from there. Now let's put some eyes on our bunny. I've got a couple different options here. We could definitely go with the traditional googly eyes. Wanted to do that. And googly eyes come in all different colors. And sizes. So we could totally do that. I also have some googly eyes that have eyelashes on them already. So that's kind of fun. Also have sticker eyes. Now these are eyes that I've gotten from like Amazon or any of the Etsy shops. They have sticker eyes. Just look for resin sticker eyes. You can get resin sticker eyes from all different kinds of shapes. I kind of like these. Okay, these are called resin sticker eyes. However, I don't trust the stick on them very much. So I like to put glue down also. Just me, personal preference. And then I'm just going to go ahead, I want to add some whiskers, my bunny. And then we could add a little mouth. Now we're going to take some flowers. I got these little mini flowers and I want to put on top of his head. From there, you know, I could totally put a bow on her head, but I think this stuff, having the flowers there, looks great as it is. We're just gonna leave it like that, and then look, you can light her up. So cute. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you how I put together a body for this little cute little guy. Or, you know, you could just leave her like this. And, you know, you could put like a magnet on the back if you want to do that. You could hang a little rope and she can be a little ornament. You could do all sorts of different things, add her to all sorts of little projects. Again, I'm going to have a second video that's going to show a little body for our little friend. All right, stay tuned. Keep coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.